When most people think of tech, they imagine something shiny, something brand new, and something cool. But we have a different perspective. What we aim to do is to ensure that we extend the life cycle of IT equipment by keeping it in use for as long as it can. By doing this, we enable businesses and organizations to recover a lot of hidden potential from their e-waste. We deal in a wide range: wired and wireless telecommunications equipment, and even power backup equipment. What our experience has consistently shown us is that most devices require just a few adjustments. Some may undergo full refurbishment, where we strip them to parts, we rebuild them, and certify them to meet the highest standards for reuse. No matter how the equipment is redeployed, how it's donated, or even resold, every item that leaves our workshop helps reduce e-waste and makes tech more accessible. You can learn more on how we give technology a second chance at refhub.co.ke.